Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Recipes Corner. So today I am going to make veg pulao. So it is a very easy recipe. We won't need much ingredients. So we will need 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped potato, 4 to 5 chili, 2 to 3 bay leaf, black pepper, 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 chopped carrot, 1 bowl of green peas, finely chopped chili and ginger garlic, and 1 cup of soaked rice. So first we will take oil in a pan. After the oil is heated, we will add bay leaf, jeera and black pepper. After that, add chili. Now add chopped onions and fry it until it is lightly brown. Now as you can see, onion is lightly brown. We have to add finely chopped chili and ginger garlic. Now we have to add potato and carrot together and mix it very well and cook it for few minutes. Now add 2 cups of water. Add salt as per your taste. Now add soaked rice. Now add green peas. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now cook it for 15 minutes. And here is your delicious veg pulao is ready. Add some coriander leaf for garnishing. And it is ready to serve. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for amazing and simple recipes. Till then, take care.